Spring is a popular time to simplify our homes. From sifting through our junk drawers and organizing our closets, it's a great time to hit the reset button on our lives. And with the abundance of technology, it's a great time to focus on simplifying our home's technology and make it all work together. Let me show you how. We all have so much smart home tech in the house, but why doesn't it all work together? If you have more than one smart home device, the brilliant Smart Home Control will unify the systems and allow everyone in your home to access and use them. This is super helpful in a lot of scenarios since not everyone always has their phones handy or might not have the apps to control the home on their phone. With Brilliant, you can instantly turn your lights into smart lights with 4 different models connecting to Sonos, Nest, Ring, Hue, Ecobee, and Google Assistant. This also allows you to control your lights even when you're away. Now maybe you're having friends over for dinner and want to turn up the music. With Brilliant, it's as easy as walking up to the wall to turn up the volume. No phone needed. Even cooler, Alexa is built in, so you don't need to have 10 Amazon products taking up counter and outlet space. With a visual display, you can use Alexa to order an Uber from your wall as well. And when it's time to head out with a family and you have 2 or more Brilliants, you can use the camera with a privacy shutter to make announcements or as a video intercom between specific rooms. No one wants to be late for all the fun spring events. And maybe you want to get into a new spring routine. Well, with your Brilliant, it can help with that. You can create a good morning mood that turns your lights to 100% brightness. It will start playing a pre-selected song on your Sonos speakers and raise your thermostat to the daytime temperature. Or make a movie night mood, which will turn down your lights and lock all your doors. So if you want flexibility in controlling your home this spring, Brilliant can help you with that. For more information, visit brilliant.tech.